Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show how to crochet the arcade stitch, also known as the arch stitch. To begin, chain 32 or any multiple of 5 plus 2. Skip the first chain and make a single crochet in the second chain and a single crochet in the third chain. Chain 3. Skip 2 chains and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3. Skip 2 chains and make a single crochet in each of the next 3 chains. Continue chaining 3, skipping 2, and making 3 single crochet stitches across the row. At the end, you'll have 4 chains left. Chain 3, skip 2 chains, and make 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 chains. And that's row 1. For row 2, we'll start with the chain 1 and make a single crochet in the first stitch. In that previous chain 3 space, make 5 double crochet stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the middle of the previous 3 single crochet stitches, make 1 single crochet. And in the next chain 3 space, make 5 double crochet stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And make a single crochet in the middle of the 3 single crochet stitches. Continue across, making 5 double crochet in the loops and a single crochet in the second of the 3 single crochet stitches. At the end, place the last single crochet in the last stitch. And that's row 2. Going forward, it's helpful to remember this is an offset pattern, whereby it's the same pattern, but it's shifted over a few stitches. We accomplish this by modifying the stitches on both ends. For row 3, I'm changing to a new color, but you don't have to. Chain 3 and turn. Now in the middle of the 5 double crochet, there are 3 stitches. Ignore the first and last stitch of the 5 shell and make a single crochet in each of the 3 middle stitches. Chain 3. And in the middle of the shell, make a single crochet in the 3 stitches. Chain 3. And in the middle of the shell, make a single crochet in the 3 stitches. Continue this across the row. At the end, chain 1 and make a half double crochet in the very last stitch. And that's row 3. For row 4, start with the chain 3 and turn. Make 2 double crochet in the first chain 3 space. In the middle of the 3 single crochet, make a single crochet. Now we'll go back to what we've done before. Make 5 double crochet in the space and single crochet in the middle. Continue across, placing 5 double crochet in the loops and a single crochet in the middle. At the end, place 3 double crochet stitches in the very last loop. 1, 2, and 3. And that's row 4. Now for row 5, we'll start off with the chain 1 and turn. Make a single crochet in the first 2 stitches. Chain 3. And do the 3 single crochet stitches in the middle of the previous 5 double crochet shell. Chain 3. And then the 3 single crochet stitches. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, we're only going to place 2 single crochet stitches, one in the last double crochet stitch and the other in the top of the turning chain. From now on, we'll continue repeating rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the pattern. This row is just a repeat of row 2. Single crochet in the first stitch, then make 5 double crochet stitches in the loop. Follow it by a single crochet in the middle of the 3 single crochet. And that's it. You can see how this 6th row is starting to look just like row 2. And that's how I crochet the arcade or the arch stitch.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.